Yeah, hi YouTube, I'm back in. This is the other load, the other significant load that it has. It's a 1 horsepower single phase electric engine, or electric motor that drives that big vacuum pump for my milking machine plant. If you have a look at the tag, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it does say 1 horsepower and it draws 6.8 amps. In actual fact, it draws around 1300 watts unloaded and about 1400 watts loaded with the vacuum port closed off so that it's sucking hard out, about 1400 watts, and between 12 and 1300 watts just spinning freely. The other thing that it drives, I just showed you the hot water cylinder on a previous video. The other thing that it drives is my electric fence unit, which I'm not sure if you can hear it going in the background. Is that up there on the wall, and the display outlet for that is this. So at the moment you can see there's 6,600 volts being delivered to the electric fence to keep the cattle in place, and I've got a long grass and weeds and things touching the wires, so there's 55 amps going to ground. That's what we call a short. So it's a short of 55 amps. The way I've wired the farm is a whole series of short loops, and then they're wired in parallel to each other and then joined to the energizer. That way each loop gets full voltage. The downside to that is each short on each loop gets added on top of the amps of each other loop. So if I've got 3 loops and there's no shorts in one of the loops, but one has 5 and the other has a 10 amp short, the combined short is 15 amps. This is a smart unit, however, and as the shorts get higher, the energy gets increased that puts into the electric fence to get maximum predetermined voltage to the wire, which I've set at 7,000 volts. So at the moment it's trying to maintain 7,000 volts, and that short that I've got there is a little bit high for the unit. It's the long dead grass and all the fresh green leaves because we're just coming into autumn. Within a month that grass will all be eaten by the cows and that short will be down. Okay, thank you.